YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we've just picked up a 1975 Alpine Sprite Caravan, 4-berth. Now, this layout, in my eyes, is more preferred than the layout of the Caravan we've just bought. This was going to be a buyer and seller, however, I think we're actually going to keep this one and restore and sell the old one. So if you do want to buy the old one, then put in the comments and we'll sell that. But yeah, over the next few days we're going to be coming up with a plan on what we're actually going to do to it. I am going to reboard it, so if you want to know how to do the interior walls on a Caravan, then stay tuned. I'm also going to be doing a full rewire on it, so it's got electrical outdoor mains and a 12-volt system, because this, back in the day, believe it or not, was run just on gas, so gas lamps and a gas fridge. But any questions, put it in the comments. Please make sure that you subscribe, turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss any of the progress on this. This will probably take us, hopefully, up until February time. I want to say 10 weeks, but with Christmas coming up, etc., it's probably going to be a lot longer. But yeah, if you've got anything you want to add in the comments, whack it down there. In the next week, we'll obviously put a video on the plans. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.